Welcome to appleguide. In this video, we're going to show you how to import your bookmark history and password from Chrome to Safari. Before you start, you need to make sure you have Chrome installed on your device. You might decide to import your data for safety reasons since the Safari browser has extra security features. This tutorial will show you how to achieve this in simple steps. Open Safari. Go to File. Scroll down to Import from Google Chrome. Now you've got options in this box of which data you want to import. If you want to import everything, just leave it. But if not, select whichever you want to and click on Import. I need to input my passcode. Click on Allow. And put it one more time. Done. This is how you import bookmarks, history, and password from Chrome to Safari.